This roof was a single layer tear off down to the existing metal. Originally, this building was a metal trapezoid panel, and this roof was installed on top of it about 20 years ago. So we came in, tore off that roof down to the original roof, then filled in the trapezoid panels with flute fill insulation, and on top of the flute fill, we put one layer of polyiso insulation across the entire system, and then a PVC membrane on the entire building. This was a Duralast PVC 50 mil membrane. Our biggest challenge on this job was one we've dealt with a lot this year, so it wasn't really something out of the ordinary for us. This was a food grade facility. It was FM Global insured, so we had to use FM specifications for our system, and we've done this several times this year at food grade facilities. Overall, this project went really good. One thing we did really well was minimize disruptions. We didn't have any surprises for the customer about where we were going to be, where we were going to stage, so they always knew where we were and why we were there. And of course, the roof came out fantastic. As you can see from the drone shots and the footage, the guys did an absolutely phenomenal job installing this roof, and we were happy to get it done right before winter as we promised the customer.